ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one roof from caving in?
Nagsasalo-salo para ipagdiwang ang 8th Kanlahi Festival. So sa pangunguna ng ating gobernadora, Governor Susan Yap, 5 taon na nag-host ng isang pyro competition. So mula sa iba't ibang lugar ng Pilipinas, nandito yung mga magagaling magpaputok.
Wasted space, your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow.
Itong Pyrotech competition is one of the highlights ng ating Kanlahi Festival.
Leads you to the perfect road, like a lightning bolt. Your heart will glow, and when it's time